Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change home screen layout on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to change the home screen layout gives you greater control over your device appearance, functionality, and organization, allowing you to customize it to suit your individual preferences and needs. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first, long press on any screen on your device, and then you can choose the settings option here. Well, after that on this page, you can select home screen layout. And here you will see two options for the menu appearance that you can apply to your device. Since I have used the first option, I will use the second one. Then click apply here. However, if you want to change the transition effects on your device, this device doesn't support that feature. So you cannot change the screen transition effects on this device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change home screen layout on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.